If you want to share your location on your iPhone with someone, whether it's for 1 hour, the whole day, or even permanently, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. But first, we need to make sure the right settings are turned on. So go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap on Privacy and Security, then tap on Location Services. Now, the first thing you want to check is that Location Services is turned on. If it's off, just toggle it on. This allows your iPhone to access your location for different apps. Next, tap on Share My Location. Make sure Share My Location is turned on as well. Also, confirm that it says This Device under your location, so your iPhone is the one being tracked. Now keep in mind, this doesn't actually share your location yet, it just enables the feature. To actually send your location to someone, open the Messages app. Tap on the conversation with the person you want to share your location with. Now, tap on the plus icon next to the message box. Scroll down a little until you see Location and tap on it. Your current location will appear on the screen. From here, tap Share, and now you'll get options to share your location for 1 hour, until the end of the day, or indefinitely. Just choose the option you want, and that's it. Your location is now shared. This is super useful for meeting up, staying safe, or letting someone know where you are in real time. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.